this is just a wow moment. So this boat came in because it was having shifting issues. It just came back from another shop that they installed this shifter like that. So it's not the shifter that goes with the boat, of course. You could tell the pattern in there for the indent, the square style instead. But they tried to modify it to make it work, and nothing, absolutely nothing went right for them. So they had a bad switch, or they used the same switch was in the other one, and that doesn't fit into that style because it's round. So they tried to modify it. I guess they might have gotten it in, who knows. It wears me out when you use the combination of flathead, Phillips, and hex all in one application. So I guess they got it on. They deleted the safety kill switch. They didn't have the where you have to squeeze the handle to keep it from locking into to lock it into neutral. So I guess they got it all done and pressed it forward and found out, ooh, that doesn't work too well. So I guess at that point they took that off completely, throw it in the floor, put that screwed into the side of the boat, and just left it like that for him. Now you can go all the way down. But what that does is eliminates the lock. So when you're putting it from forward to neutral, you can go all the way through neutral into reverse, coming off of forward. So that's really, really dangerous right there. Plus the wobbly, there's no backing plate on it, so they just screwed into the wood, which isn't, and they took this piece off that goes all the way through the trim and just never put it back on. But the customer probably would have lived with any of this or all of this, except the fact he backed it in the water to take it off the trailer. So he goes to back off the trailer and puts it in reverse and powers it up, and the boat goes forward. So he said that was the when he gave us a call and said, is there anything we can do about it? So here it is. That's some pretty special work, and the shop that did this for him charged him a little over $700 to do that.